drink this miracle tea to regulate high blood pressure. Moringa oleifera, locally called soanjna, has been titled with different words and phrases like miracle herb, superfood or miracle tree. The plant has been converted to powders, is being added to teas and coffees. Moringa is enjoying its spot under the sun and is being actively incorporated in the diets of people around the world. Moringa leaves and pods are a nutritional powerhouse that provides a great range and amount of essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It is a rich source of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Moringa tea is prepared from the leaves of the moringa tree and is now a popular beverage with several foods and drinks. The tea is becoming a popular choice among health freaks and is also said to have several health benefits for us. How to make moringa tea? Moringa leaves powder is widely available. Moringa powder is specifically available online and in grocery stores. The powder is boiled in filtered water and then passed through a sieve to get a bright green tea, which is the moringa tea. However, if you don't trust brands and packaged powders, then you can also make moringa powder at home. All you need to do is get your hands on some fresh moringa leaves, dry these and then grind them to make a powder. Alternatively, you can just clean the leaves and boil them in water for a few minutes to make moringa tea. Health benefits of moringa tea. Let's look at some incredible health benefits that moringa tea is known for. Important note: prior using moringa tea, powder, leaves, etc., for any medical purposes, please consult a doctor or dietitian, especially if you suffer from any chronic conditions. Fat loss. Moringa is rich in a number of essential vitamins and minerals and helps to mobilize stored visceral fat as well. The tea is rich in antioxidants, which are primarily the polyphenols or plant compounds in it. According to the book How to Lose Back Fat by Cynthia Trainer, moringa tea is shown to have a weight loss effect. Energy production takes place instead of fat storage. The leaves are low fat and nutrient dense and can be easily viewed as alternatives to high-calorie foods. Blood pressure control. Moringa tea helps in blood pressure control. This has been credited to the presence of quercetin in it, which reduces blood pressure. Besides, it also helps blood pressure patients fight inflammation, due to its antioxidative abilities. Fights cholesterol buildup. As stated earlier, Moringa oleifera helps reducing levels of cholesterol, thereby potentially helping heart patients and lowering risks of heart diseases. Blood sugar control. Moringa leaves help people suffering from diabetes, as it contains the antioxidant chlorogenic acid, which is also present in coffee and that is said to keep blood sugar levels in check. Additionally, it is said to be rich in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce blood sugar and blood pressure in patients of type 2 diabetes. Beauty benefits. The powerful antioxidant abilities of moringa help in improving the quality of your skin and hair, by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants may help keep toxins at bay and potentially clear the skin. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.